Found a BMT file? It's a thumbnail cache generated by Ulead PhotoImpact. Not something you'd open directly, but it serves a purpose. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what it does and what you can safely do with it. We're tackling this BMT file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. A BMT file is a thumbnail cache file generated by Ulead PhotoImpact, a legacy photo editing application. It stores small preview images for album entries, helping the software display image previews quickly without reloading original full-size files each time. BMT files are automatically generated by Ulead PhotoImpact during album creation. They use a proprietary binary format to store compressed thumbnail previews. These files are not intended for direct user access and are regenerated automatically if deleted. Your first application to test with BMT should be Coral PhotoImpact from Coral Corporation. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows cannot interpret multi-level index data, so specialized cataloging apps must handle it. Your first step to success: right-click the BMT file and choose Open With. If Coral PhotoImpact is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. When a BMT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, locate the associated PhotoImpact album. BMT files are companion files to Ulead PhotoImpact album files. To access the content, open the associated album file directly in Ulead PhotoImpact. The software will automatically reference or regenerate the BMT thumbnail cache as needed during album loading. Next, install a legacy version of PhotoImpact. If you need to open the BMT file directly, install Ulead PhotoImpact X3 or an earlier compatible version. Since Ulead was acquired by Coral, some versions may be available through Coral's archive. The software will interpret BMT files natively on launch. Finally, delete and let the app regenerate. If the BMT file is causing errors, simply delete it. Ulead PhotoImpact will automatically regenerate the thumbnail cache the next time the associated album is open. This resolves most corruption issues without any loss of original image data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.